In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer a draw in an online chess game. If you've reached a balanced position or a deadlocked endgame, knowing how to propose a draw quickly and correctly can save time and keep the game respectful. I'll walk you through the exact process and share a few tips so you feel confident using this feature whenever you need it. First, make sure it's your turn to move. Most chess platforms only allow a draw offer when the move indicator is on your side, so check that your clock is ticking or your color is highlighted. If you don't see any draw controls, it's almost always because it isn't your turn yet. Once you confirm it is your move, look near the board or alongside your clock. That's where the core game controls usually appear. Next, find the draw control. Many interfaces show a small button that looks like a half-filled circle with a line through it, often labeled 1/2 or draw. Click that icon. If it isn't immediately visible, open the in-game menu. On some layouts, especially on mobile, it might be tucked behind a more, 3 dots, or gear icon. Don't worry about the exact wording. Draw is the keyword you're after. The important thing is to access the draw option from within the game's menu if the dedicated button isn't on the main screen. After you click the draw control, confirm the offer when prompted. Most sites ask for a quick confirmation to prevent accidental offers during time pressure. When the confirmation box appears, review it and approve. Your opponent will receive the proposal and can accept or decline. While they decide, your clock typically continues to run, so keep an eye on your time and stay focused on the position. If they accept, the game ends immediately as a draw. If they decline, nothing else changes. Simply continue with your move and play on. A few best practices to keep things smooth. Offer a draw for good chess reasons. Equal material, a known theoretical draw, or a fortress-like setup, rather than as a shortcut. Avoid repeated offers in a short span. It can be distracting and may violate fair play guidelines. On mobile devices, remember that screen space is limited, so check the main menu if you don't see the icon. And if the option still isn't visible, double check that it's your turn. That's all there is to it. By confirming it's your move, locating the draw control or menu option, and confirming the offer, you can propose a draw cleanly and confidently whenever the position calls for it.